and welcome to Rose's Cooking Corner. Today we will be cooking traditional chicken curry with rice. It is super delicious and easy to make and great for dinner. First, you need to chop an onion. You should wear goggles so that you don't cry. And if you're a kid, ask for adult assistance. Done. Next, you need to add some olive oil into a pan. Along with some garlic and onions. When the onions are see-through, you need to add 3 teaspoons of curry powder. Then add a kilo of chicken. Then add a tin of coconut milk and also a tin of coconut cream. Let it simmer for 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked. This recipe was made by Jina. She is one of our family friends. It is very delicious. But Dad added peas and they are revolting. So don't add peas.